Oh, there she is, boys. So since we blew up the motor in this old gal, I guess we're gonna get her fixed. I got it over here at my brother's shop. Shout out to the sponsor, Summit Diesel. We dropped a couple valves on cylinders 4 and 6. It's, as much as we know, there's nothing going on with the other side. It barely runs. It don't run good. She's hurting, that's for sure. So I'm either gonna put 2 new heads on it, or we're just gonna put a new motor in it. Either way, it's not gonna be a V8 right now, unfortunately, but we'll figure it out, that's for sure. I've got to take this old truck and trailer to Idaho. So we're gonna unload this, pull it in over yonder, and I'm gonna giddy up on down the road.
Welcome back to another episode of Definitely Not Mechanics. Just trying to figure out how to get these windshield wipers out, so we pull the motor out. My name's Logan, stay tuned. Alex, what'd you find in that oil filter?
I fucking hate you. So it's pretty chunky.
Did anyone ever change the oil in this truck?
I don't know. We've had it for a couple of months. I didn't, that's for sure. I added some. That thing's heavy, dude. There's still a lot in there.
Hey, what'd your mama tell you about sticking your fingers in them holes?
She didn't tell me anything about it.
Oh.
I wasn't molested as a fucking kid.
Oh, that's a terrible life story.
Yeah, I don't think this motor's much good.
Hey, what's a good thing we got a new one?
Oh, that had a hard delay after I pulled out the plug. Oh, that is not good. That's chunky. Oh! Hell yeah. Alright, we got some bullshit drained. We got the fan taken off, shroud, air box, everything. From here, got to pull the upper hoses off. We got lower stuff off. These oil cooling lines here, we just have to pull the AC compressor off and pull it to the side, or pull those hoses off and pull it out with the motors, since we already evac and recharged it. And then we'll be able to unbolt it from the transmission, yank it out of here, and shove the new one in. Here's the new one right here. Everything looks pretty good. It's got some oil on it. I want to say they tested it. There's some stuff, and there's this here that's on there. And you just put the there, and then turn it on, and that's it. Hey, that ain't gonna be bad for my AC compressor, is it?
What?
I like having AC.
Yeah.
It is gonna be bad for it?
Yeah.
All right. What do you got going on there?
Taking the charging wire off this alternator.
It don't look too hot, huh?
No, looks like some little furry friend decided to gnaw on your wires a little bit.
I ain't got no friends. Everything detached on the top, harness all pulled over, everything that's keeping it but the motor mounts. Just motor mounts and transmission's the last thing, right?
That's it. That's it. Good job, real good.
Oh, she's loose now. Yeah, this crossbar is not even really bolted in. Took the mount out and everything, give us some freedom. Had to pull the crossbar out to get all these bolts up here. Got all those out, got the exhaust loose. Oh, look at that. And shit, all we gotta do now is just drop it down and pull it out. The mounts are already loose and everything. You see them up there. We're ready to go.
You can't push it this way, you can crush your airbox.
Look, is it really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, perfect, because I just completely guessed. That's probably been done before that one went factory. But look, fucking everything back here was leaking.
Well, all right, so videotape, hurry up, get your videotape done so we start tearing down and cleaning.
Okay. Everything was leaking back there. Everything's leaking over here. This thing is just absolute garbage. All right, so now we're gonna pull everything off of here that we need to pull off, clean it, put it on the new motor, get it ready to go in this whole thing. Freaking mess in here, ain't it? You ready? Okay. Oof. I'm gonna do that thing you don't like that I do.
Just always stick your hands in the goo.
Oh my god. You gotta feel the consistency though. Like, that's bad.
Get a bucket.
Another one, or it's probably out of coolant by now. Oh man, that does not look good, brother.
Look how bad this is. It's awful. That's like hard to scratch through almost. It's just fucking gooey.
Quick update. This is where we're at here. We've got manifolds put on, got some studs on the front, we got the motor mounts on, we've got, that's it. We got everything mostly pulled off of this. We just cut the front cover off and found out that the front cover illicitly says replace this bitch. So we got to go pick up one of those. We needed to run and get lunch, oil, oil filter and all that. All that's left is the intake manifold. So we're gonna put the front cover on, start putting front accessories on there. At the same time, set the intake manifold in there, set the distributor in there, and get all that buttoned up to where the last, then all it is from there, set her in there. I don't know if that'll get done today, but we're certainly gonna try. And also, check that out. It looks like a penis.
Look at this guy using a torque wrench.
Look at this guy not gonna have a leaking oil pan.
Good morning, Cisco. You ready to work on some shit today or what?
Ready for a tater tot.
Cisco, sit.
Cisco, sit down. Sit.
Yeah, that's a good dog. All right, we're back at it again, early Sunday morning. And hopefully we're gonna get everything put together. Right.
Yeah.
All right.
So, in cleaning this block so Logan can take it back to the core buyer, to the machine shop, blowing out all the water and the dirt and the shit. Go to blow in number 4, which is the cylinder we had the problem with. Watch hole number 6 when I blow in the spark plug for number 4. I'd say that's fucked up.
They're bridged together for performance?
Yeah, for performance. For that Logan tube.
That's fucked up.
much.
This part washer does go pretty hard though. Like, that shit's super clean now.
It's the best investment I've made as a shop owner.
So we decided to grind down those shit welds here, try to find our leaks. But honestly, it doesn't really look like there are any. I mean, it's fucking welded, that's for sure. Well, it's in, and there's bolts in it. So the motor mounts are bolted up. Still have to tighten them. I'm gonna leave them a little bit loose right now in case we gotta move the motor, you know, a couple inches in either way. So we're about to lift it up, put the transmission on, then drive shaft, exhaust, drop it down, hook up all of this good stuff. Oh man, are we in a situation now? So we've got everything underneath hooked up. Everything underneath is on, except for the starter. On top, we've got almost everything put on here. See, we've got the upper plenum on. We've got, see, we need AC, obviously a belt, fan, and then our radiator hoses. But our one hiccup is the piece that goes right here that holds down these two lines. Kind of looks like a Batman symbol or something. And when we were taking it off, we released pressure on one of those lines and it shot that bracket off. I heard it hit over here, and at the time we were just like, you know what, we'll find it when we pull the motor out. We forgot, and we looked for it and looked for it and looked for it, couldn't find it. So now we gotta go to one of my brother's buddy's places. We're gonna take one off of his Suburban, come back here, put that on. Maybe, just maybe, we'll finish this thing today. Who knows? It's been a freaking headache for me. I hate doing this kind of stuff. I don't like working on motors. Alex's friend brought us the part we needed. We didn't have to go get it. There she is right there. That little batwing turd there. We got that put in. AC compressor's on.
Did you put the plug in the oil pan?
I put it in. I don't think I tightened it.
Well, guess we'll find out.
Okay. You ready or what?
Yeah, you filming if you want.
I'm saying, you ready for me to start it?
Yeah, go ahead. I think the timing's out.
Okay, spark plug wires were flipped. Now fix that. Try again. Ready? Trying to get this distributor lined up, make sure everything's at top dead center. And we lost a couple nuts off in here. So we were taking this off. And some honky fucked up my windshield. Can't have nice things around these parts, huh?
Weird how that happens.
Yeah. Oh shit. Damn, son. Temperature.
What?
Temperature.
What's that?
Operating temperature. Motherfucker hurt. That's the smoothest it's ever run. You bounce a quarter on that thing. We done?
Getting pretty close. Got to charge the AC and put the hood on it.
And then put a windshield in it?
Somebody's gonna put a windshield in it. Probably not the guy that did all the labor for free, but somebody's gonna put a windshield in it.
I kind of feel like it's only right. Like, if you fix my shit, you should be able to break something on it too.
I didn't mean to break it.
You're all right. It's cool, man. Well, there she is, boys. That was hell, dude. That took 2 days non-stop working on this thing. We started at 10 yesterday, or probably around 11 yesterday, and then 10 today, just because the morning was taken up with going and picking up parts and stuff. Did a rebuilt 4.3 in the Blazer. It runs like a scalded ape. Proud of it. I feel like my spirit's with Joe Exotic right now because I know I will never financially recover from this mess. But got a new motor, a bunch of other new parts. Hopefully she won't treat me too bad, and I'll be able to buy something else in the near future to, you know, a little bit of project, you know what I'm saying? But until next time, please like and subscribe. Check out our merch. DefinitelyNotMechanics.com is our website. Definitely Not Mechanics on Facebook. So that's going to be facebook.com/DefinitelyNotMechanics. Just check us out on Instagram. And most of all, just subscribe, man. We're trying to hit 500 by Nick's birthday, and it's tomorrow, and we've got like 300. Let's just help us out, guys.